Swanee, usually when we're cooking, you cook me some pasta. Not today, some hamburgers.
No, Jess. It is still pasta. Couscous is a form of pasta. I'm using the San Remo wholemeal couscous, and I'm making little sweet potato tandoori burgers.
Oh, you've changed. You've gone all healthy on me.
Well, you know, we've got to balance everything, Jess, yeah?
These actually sound pretty amazing, so I'm looking forward to trying them.
Good. Firstly, we need to get our wholemeal couscous.
Yes.
Now, people stress out about cooking couscous. It's so simple, yeah? 1 cup of couscous to 1 cup of liquid. Today, we're doing boiling water, so I'm going to get 2 cups happening.
Yeah. I think it is the easiest side dish you could possibly have because it takes moments to get ready.
Yeah, but you know what? Everyone thinks it as a side dish, Just. Look, today we're using it as, I guess, a form of protein, you could say, or fibre, because it's the main component to our burger.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah? And it's super easy. So, in that goes boiling water.
Right.
2 cups of couscous, 2 cups of boiling water. Give it a little shake so it's nice and evenly distributed.
Yep.
On with the Glad wrap. Nice and tight. Now, Jazz, while the couscous is doing its thing, I need you to pick me some herbs, please.
Can do.
So we've got mint, coriander and parsley.
Okay.
Tandoori paste into the pan.
This is a nice store-bought one is fine.
Yeah. Okay, Jazz. So we're going to add our grated sweet potato here.
Right.
Straight into the pan. Splash of olive oil also.
Okay.
I'll get you to chop them up roughly.
Sure can.
So we need to cook off our sweet potato for about 3 to 4 minutes, obviously incorporating that beautiful tandoori paste. Now, it does get... I've been holding that for the past 30 seconds. Woo. Pinch of salt also, obviously, being potato, needs some salt. Beautiful.
See, it's always very tricky when you're making vegetarian-style patties for a hamburger because the trick is how to hold it together because they can fall apart.
You're absolutely right, Jazz. Now, for us today, obviously, we're using the couscous, but we're going to add 1 egg. Yeah, so that's going to be our binding agent to bring it all together.
Okay. And so I'm just roughly chopping this or finely chopping
Roughly chopped. You know me. I know fancy pants. I want this perfectly chopped. I want it rough. It's going to go through our couscous and our sweet potato.
Great. As specified, roughly chopped.
Thank you. Well, our sweet potato is ready, Jazz.
So they go in?
Straight in, please.
Okay.
Just turn off our heat and just mix that through the sweet potato.
Oh, it smells good.
It does. Oh. Mint, coriander, fresh, zingy. Done. Time for couscous.
All right.
All right.
So
now.
it's really swollen up, hasn't it?
It has, yeah, doubled in size. So just with the fork running across the top, like so, that's how easy couscous is, yeah? There's no need to add oil, butter. You can do that later. You can season it, do whatever you want. Then I need you to grab the yogurt.
Yogurt, yes.
Yes.
And how much yogurt would you like?
Nice tablespoon.
Generous tablespoon.
Go for it.
There we go.
I'm going to add a sweet potato in. It's a bit hard sticking to the spoon.
And there's not as much sweet potato compared to the couscous, but there's that real intense concentrated flavour there, isn't it?
Definitely. Egg. Binding agent. Now, mix it all together. Right. So, I can do it nice and elegant like this, or I get my hands in there.
Elegant. Okay.
No need to season because there's so much flavouring in that tandoori paste, yeah? The sweet potato and the herbs. Nice.
And you can see that it's getting sticky.
Yeah, okay. I have to get in there.
Get in there.
That's it.
Go on, get in there.
It's a must, all right? Okay, Jazz, so mix all this together. We're going to make him, I guess, the size of our lemon there, our little patties,
yes.
all right? We're going to fry them off in some olive oil. And then what I need you to do is slice me some pickles and tomato and open up the bread rolls.
Sounds good, I'm onto it.
Does. Patties look good. Nice colour on them.
And they've held their shape.
I knew you were going to say that. How did I know that? You didn't think this was going to happen.
No, I just didn't see, like it was only yogurt and egg. I thought it wouldn't, but it does. So I'm pleasantly surprised.
Okay, our buns, aioli top and bottom.
Sure.
Now, if you're not a fan of aioli, you could use Kewpie, you could put tomato sauce, whatever you like, chutney.
I'm an aioli girl.
Nice. Okay, little lettuce.
Okay. See, you've got a wonderful chicken shop where you make beautiful hamburgers in Adelaide. So you know the rules when it comes to building a hamburger.
Well, I was just thinking that whilst you're taking your time, very soft and slow, thinking, if I'm employing you, you can take them forever. I would have started losing it by about now. But anyway, look, you're doing a good job, very nice. Tomato on, tomato, chops. Bit of salt too, please.
There we
Lovely.
go.
Yep, there we go. Some pickles. Yeah,
Pickles.
you got it.
Making it with love, you see.
Uh-huh.
There you
All right, number
go.
one.
Perfect size.
Oh, it's going to sit, you'll sit. Come on.
Here we go. A little more aioli on top.
Yeah, look, you don't have to go on top of the bun. You can go straight onto the patty if you like.
There we go. Straight
You
onto the
in the kitchen just. All right, lid on.
Yep.
Okay, number one.
Second one. Like that.
You're a little bit more elegant, aren't you?
They are absolutely divine. So cute. That one's going to fall, so I better take that one, right?
Lintel pizza. All right, Jazz.
Should you have a taste?
You know what you do? You squash it. Give it a good squash.
Squash that together.
Yeah.
You've outdone yourself. Couscous used to make these patties is such a fantastic idea. I think the key thing here is making sure you get a beautiful, soft bun just like this, so everything just comes together when you have a bite. Adam, you've done it again.